All right, happy Monday. Welcome back. Hopefully, you and your family had a happy Mother's Day. Here's the rundown for Algebra A for this week. On Monday, in addition to watching this video, please watch the notes part 1 from 4.3, Solving Systems with Elimination. Your homework is worksheet 4.3, number 1. On Tuesday, I'll be hosting a help session at 2 p.m. on Google Meets. Password for that is AA Kosanki, as it has been the last few weeks. Again, take any questions you have from the notes or the homework for section 4.3. Tuesday night at 11:59 p.m., worksheet 4.3 number 1 will be due. On Wednesday, please watch the video for the notes of part 2 of section 4.3, and you could start worksheet number 2. That is going to be due on Thursday. Again, I'll have a help session on Thursday for section 4.3. Again, worksheet 2 is due Thursday evening, 11:59 p.m. You can also start worksheet 3 on Thursday, and that one is due on Friday. So by Friday, there's 3 worksheets for 4.3 that are due. There's 2 videos for notes for this section, and I will be hosting help sessions. Mr. Stuvey and I will be there on Tuesday and Thursday. All right, if you got any questions, let me know. Shoot me an email. Have a great week.